Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can get free access GPT 5.6 Sol on every day. GenSpark free plan currently provide 100 free credits every day after you sign up. The credits automatically refresh each day. A few things to keep in mind: free plan 100 credits per day, reset daily. Unused credit do not roll over to the next day. On the free plan, AI chat, image generation, video generation, and other AI tools draw from those daily credits. If you are using GenSpark mainly for AI video generation, 100 daily credits are usually enough to experiment with a few generations. The exact number depend on the model you choose and the cost of each generation. Open web browser, go to search, type GenSpark, hit enter, click on first link, GenSpark, your all-in-one workspace. Go to sign up, click continue with Google. Now I am logged on as Google account. Click on new, scroll down, click AI chat under content creation. Go to models. You can see the multiple models here. In this video, I will use GPT 5.6 Sol. GPT 5.6 Sol is selected. Go to profile. You can see the credits. It refresh every day. Now I am given tasks to him. Create a tic-tac-toe game in a single HTML file. Hit enter. Code is generating. Now code is generated. Scroll up. Copy these codes. Go to Windows search. Type Notepad. Click open. Paste the code here. Click on file. Save as. Select desktop. I'm given it file name tic-tac-toe.html. Click on save. Close Notepad. Minimize web browser. Here it is over tic-tac-toe.html file. Let's double click on it. Click just once. Now you can see the game UI. Let's test the game, it's working or not. Result is draw. Now game is working. Go to GenSpark site. Go to profile. You can see the available credits is 53. This means tic-tac-toe game generation use 47 credits. So viewers, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.